Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing a PINCHme box that I just received, so I'm really excited to unbox this with you today. So let's just go ahead and get started. And I have a purple box. But the first sample is the Luma Phi Redness Reliever Eye Drops. And it says it works in 1 minute and lasts up to 8 hours, so can't wait to try this. Yeah, my eyes always get irritated somehow, but here's the little sample of here, but you don't need much, just says you just need a drop, so yeah. And then the next sample in here is from Glad, and it's the Febreze Beachside Breeze small 4-gallon trash bag. And yeah, it has a drawstring on it, looks like. That smells good. So, yeah. These are like the smaller size for the little trash cans you have in your bathroom and stuff. So, yeah, I'll be giving that a try. Yeah, it shows it's for like this little size here. And then there's a card in there for Lumify. You can get that at Target. And then the next thing, I love getting these samples. This is from Nexcare. I have tried these before. These work really good. They're waterproof. If you get a cut or anything, clean it real good. This, yeah, wash your hands. Because I know once you put on a bandage or something, you wash your hands and it falls off. These will last a few washes. Anyways, they do for me. So, yeah, I like these. So there's one of those and then a coupon on the back for 50 cents. You can see it in there. And then there's one more sample in here. Oh, there's 2 more samples. There's a HelloFresh $50 or $60 gift card this time to try their food delivery service. And then there's a coupon in there for bitten salad dressing. And it's bitten, but I just said bitten. I don't know why. But yeah, and looks like there's a few different flavors to choose from. I've never tried these before. Oh, these are like fruit flavors. Sounds like blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, mango, lemon, poppy seed. Nice. And then the last thing in here is a card. That is so cool. Just Because minis. That's from Hallmark. So let's see what's in here. Oh. This is a paper hug. See inside for surprises. Oh, and it looks like there's quite a few. There's a coupon. Wow, it looks like there's a bunch of them there. Huh. Little cards, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just show you a couple here. This one's You're on My Mind Today, and it has a little kitty. Oh, and it's a pop-up. And In My Heart. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. How Are You So Awesome? Seriously, how? Those are cute. So that is everything in my PINCHme box. Really happy with everything I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button. And I will leave the link to PINCHme below if you want to check it out. And I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.